This is Tarazut Little Beach. Oh, it's a big one. It's always like that. It's always a very big one that gets you in the end. I think the sea is like all these locals. It doesn't like to be photographed. And as soon as I started filming, one of the waves got her. How interesting. A couple of fishermen there. Wow, look at. But don't fishing boat, fluka. I think I have to move a bit. The tide is still coming in, I think. It's probably peaked or about to peak, but now the water became just a bit murkier with the wave. It was really crystal clear. With some frothy foam top of it. Beautiful over there. Not as many people as I expected. But the main beach is full. I spend the day here and this evening move on to Kamra along the beach.